Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Start by swiping down on the screen and keep swiping until you find the settings icon. Like this. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. You can also use the buttons, for example, middle button to enter. For some reason, the touchscreen is a bit wonky on this watch, so as you can see, I was tapping on the settings option but doesn't want to enter, so you can use the middle button instead. In settings, find the general option and select it, then scroll down through the menu, find the language option and select it. And here we have two options, language and unit system. We want to select the language. And now you should see the list of languages, and you can swipe up and down on the screen or use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it and select it, you can tap on it or press the middle button to confirm. Come on. Okay, like this. And after a couple of seconds, the language should be applied. And then you can swipe right or press and hold the middle button to go back. I'm just gonna quickly switch it back to English. Like this. And then we can go back by swiping right on the screen. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.